If your laptop feels sluggish or struggles when you open multiple apps, upgrading your RAM could be the key to smoother performance. The crucial 16GB DDR4 RAM offers a straightforward way to improve your system's responsiveness and speed up everyday tasks without breaking the bank. Designed with simplicity in mind, this RAM module requires no advanced computer skills to install. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, Crucial provides clear how-to guides that walk you through the installation process step by step, making the upgrade hassle-free. One of the standout benefits of choosing Crucial memory is compatibility assurance. By using the Crucial System Scanner or Crucial Advisor tool, you can easily confirm that this 16GB DDR4 RAM fits your laptop's specifications, eliminating guesswork and ensuring a perfect match. Backed by Micron's 42 years of memory expertise, this RAM module reflects industry-leading quality and reliability. Every component and module undergoes rigorous testing to meet high standards, so you can trust that your upgrade will perform consistently over time. This particular RAM features a 260-pin SODIMM form factor, non-ECC type, and operates at PC4-21300 speed with a voltage of 1.2 volts. Its rank and configuration options, 1RX16, 1RX8, or 2RX8, make it compatible with a wide range of laptops, including popular models like HP Envy. Users across the United States have praised this Crucial RAM for delivering solid performance at a reasonable price. One satisfied customer upgraded their HP Envy laptop and reported no failures, highlighting the lasting impact of adding more memory to boost their system. Why does more RAM matter? It directly affects how many applications you can run smoothly at once. With 16 GB of DDR4 memory, you'll notice faster app launches, reduced lag when switching between programs, and a more responsive overall experience. This upgrade is especially beneficial if you work with memory-intensive software, stream videos, or enjoy multitasking without waiting for your laptop to catch up. It's a practical way to extend the life of your existing device without investing in a new one. Installing this RAM also means better energy efficiency. Running at just 1.2 volts, it helps keep your laptop cooler and conserves battery life compared to older memory modules, so you get both performance and endurance. If you're unsure whether this Crucial RAM fits your laptop, the free Crucial System Scanner tool is worth a look. It scans your system and recommends compatible upgrades, giving you confidence before making a purchase. Many users find that upgrading their RAM is the single most effective way to breathe new life into their laptops. It's a simple, cost-effective solution that delivers noticeable improvements without complicated setups or software tweaks. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this 16GB DDR4 RAM upgrade can help you work smarter, not harder. It supports smoother multitasking, faster loading times, and a more fluid computing experience overall. If your laptop feels bogged down during everyday tasks or when juggling multiple browser tabs, this upgrade can make a real difference. The Crucial RAM delivers reliable performance that keeps pace with your demands. Plus, the brand's reputation for quality means you're investing in a product that won't just boost speed temporarily but will maintain stability for years to come. That peace of mind is invaluable when upgrading your system. Try it when you're ready to transform your laptop's performance without the complexity. The combination of easy installation, trusted compatibility, and Micron's expertise makes this Crucial RAM a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade. In summary, upgrading your laptop with Crucial 16GB DDR4 RAM offers clear benefits: faster app performance, better multitasking, energy efficiency, and long-term reliability. It's an upgrade that truly changes how your laptop handles daily tasks. If you want to avoid the frustration of slowdowns and enjoy a more responsive machine, this RAM upgrade is worth considering. It's a practical step that delivers measurable improvements without the need for a full system replacement. Remember, a smoother laptop means less waiting and more doing. Crucial 16GB DDR4 RAM helps you get there with proven quality and straightforward installation. Worth a look if you're ready to boost your laptop's potential. Take the next step toward better performance today. Whether you're upgrading an HP Envy or another compatible laptop, Crucial's memory upgrade offers a reliable, affordable way to enhance your computing experience.